Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'll be going over how to make money with Forex affiliate marketing. So first I go over what is affiliate marketing for the people that do not know what it is. I'm not going into it in detail, just short, quickly, straight to the core. And then I will go over ways to make money with Forex affiliate marketing. Alright, so first the definition of affiliate marketing. Here I have an image that explains it. We start with the merchant, right? We start with the merchant, and the merchant pays fees to the publisher for their marketing services. So let's say we have Amazon. Amazon is a big company and they sell products, and they need people or companies to promote their products, right? So Amazon says to someone, well, if you promote my, let's say, e-bike, for example, you will get a 10% commission of the sale. So someone or a person or an individual or a company, they do all the marketing and they try to promote and to sell the e-bike to people that are interested. And if someone clicks on the specific link of the special tailored to the publisher, if someone clicks on it, the publisher will receive a commission, right? Over here we see publisher promotes products or services, and we see that once the customer buys it, the customer buys the product or takes the start action with merchant, and then the publisher get the fee. So that is basically affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You have a company, you have a promoter, and you have a customer, and basically everyone wins with this model. The merchant wins because they have a new customer, and the publisher wins because they earn fees, and the customer wins because they bought a product that was a solution to the problem, right? So how to apply that to Forex? Because in Forex we have a broker, we have a promoter, and we have a trader or customer. Go back over here, this is the broker, this is the promoter, and this is the trader. I mean the trader or the customer, right? So a broker wants a new client, so they go to the publisher and say, well, I offer you a specific commission, let's say a percentage of every trade that a customer takes, and the publisher, the promoter, if he agrees, then he does all the marketing. He creates YouTube videos, he creates blogs, he goes to conferences, whatever, to promote the broker. And if someone is interested in trading with the broker, and the customer signs up, then definitely also really places trades, then the publisher receives a commission from the merchant. Okay, so that's in a nutshell the Forex affiliate marketing model explained. So let me go over multiple ways to make money with Forex affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is a broker, FP Markets, and they have a page which basically explains how this model works. Over here we see that you can earn up to $800 CPA, which stands for click per action or cost per action for affiliates. They also provide custom percentage deals for introducing brokers, and they have a 24/5 dedicated support, 24/7 real-time reporting, and they also have a multi-level model. Over here we see this is the most popular, the introducing broker. It's multi-tiered, also volume-based rebate structures, means that the bigger the lot sizes, the bigger the trades the people place, the higher the commission will be for the introducing brokers. And introducing broker is the publisher, right? This is also the publisher, and this is also the publisher, but more on that later. But okay, let's first stand still to the introducing broker. Basically what they do, so if I go back, so this is the introducing broker, the publisher, and what they do, they simply just refer customers to the broker, and then for every single trade the customer places, the introducing broker will receive a commission, which could be 25% of the spread, for example, or the commission that the customer pays. But they will receive a percentage of a part of the trade that the customer places. Yeah, it's basically unlimited money. So as long as the customer trades, right, is active with the broker, the publisher will receive money for the rest of his life. So yeah, as long as the customer is active. So that's great, of course, for the publisher, and for the customer it's also good because now they can trade with a broker which offers amazing trading conditions. Another way to promote the broker is to become an affiliate, and that means that you can earn up to $800 on a client referral structure, which means that if you refer someone to the broker, you can earn 3, 4, 5, and up to $800. So that's just a one-time fee. And over here, the reason why you should do this is that, and why it's also popular, is that you don't get a one-time fee, but you will get commissions for, it also says, yeah, it's also stated over here, lifetime. And these are lifetime rebates on clients, so it's more like passive income. And over here you would just receive one amount, which is, yeah, as I mentioned, between the $300 and the $800. It also depends on the country that the client is from, but it's just one-time fee, and that's it. And over here we have a hybrid system, which is basically a mix of the introducing brokers and affiliates. So you will receive not the 800 or not even the 300 or the 4, 5, 6 up to 8, but you will receive $150 or $200, and you also will receive a small percentage that you would normally receive with the introducing broker model. So it's basically a combination of both. Then we also have the money managers over here. Basically it comes down to owning a MAM, multi-account manager, or a PAM, which is a percent allocation management model. And if you use EAs, for example, and then you can refer people to the broker, and all the trades that you take with the EA will be copied to the people that you signed up, right? So it's, if you have an EA, a trading robot, this is quite interesting, and I'm also thinking about doing this. Not specifically a MAM or a PAM, but more like social trading, which is basically the same, but it's a little bit different, but that's for another video. So that's also something you can do. And this is white label partnership. This is basically for the big guys. If you want a broker, if you want to own a broker, but you do not want to do all the complex stuff, right, and all the complicated things, you do not want to handle that, then you can partner up with FP Markets. You basically are a white label broker. Regional partnership, this is also something for if you're more like a big figure in the trading space, but this is not something for beginners. I personally recommend to just focus on introducing brokers or affiliates. I also contacted this broker, FP Markets, and they mentioned that if you really are a beginner, this is something that suits you. Introducing brokers, this is more for companies or people that already have a large following, but if you're quite new to the game, then this is something for you. They also have multi-level, which means that if you refer someone and that person also referred someone else, you will also get a percentage of the commission of the people that your partner signed up, right? So that's the multi-level structure. Let me see. So I went over the multiple ways to make money with Forex affiliate marketing. There's basically a secret to make more money, and the way to do that is to provide an incentive to increase signups. And what do I mean with that? For example, what I do is that uh, you can sign up under my link, the link that I share with people, but I will also offer special bonus, which means that if you sign up with my link, you can use one of my EAs, right? My trading robot. So basically what I do is that if I make money, you make money as well. And that's a way to also keep people with the broker, right? Because that's what the broker wants as well. If people are happy, they're also glad to pay you the commissions. So as long as I make money by using the trading bot that I developed, and I also sign up other people that want to use the trading bot as well, so their of my trades will be copied to the people, then the broker is happy because they also get more signups. I am happy because I make money with the trading robot, but also with the affiliate money, with the commissions. And the traders are also, and the customers are also happy because now they are profitable, right? Because it's really hard to become profitable consistently. So that's basically a win-win-win situation. So that's something you can do as well. To provide an incentive, which in my case I partner up with everyone that signs up under my link, to provide them extra services or their bonuses. So the trading robot, but also you can think of free ebooks, or maybe a one-on-one consulting coaching program, or maybe a free course, whatever you can think of. So that's it basically. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want to sign up under my link and get all the bonuses, just check out the link down below in the description.